sleep.
Ooh, Celeste is the best. Guys, listen, me and Celeste sitting down here talking. We talking about the finished product. So Celeste made a plate and we talking. She said, girl, hurry up. Ain't gonna be nothing left on the plate. Let me show you.
This is the finished product. And I'm going to suck on this bone right here. Because that's the end of my turkey wing. I already ate my cabbage and rice and my bread. Delicious. Everything was delicious. Now I'm ready to go home and go to sleep.
Okay, guys. I didn't play it. I'm full from tasting while I was cooking. So here is those turkey wings. When I tell you they good, I meant to smack Celeste. That's how good they were, okay? Here are the ribs. Again, I'm telling you, if you want to just use this for a snack or, you know, just something to munch. Hey, Cousin Linda, you could take these ribs and slice them and put you some ranch dressing on the side or Italian and dip it and eat it. Dip it and doing it. Dip it and doing it. And here's that cabbage with the bacon, the carrots, the bell pepper, and the onions, right? And over here's the whole bread. Come out really good. And I did some jasmine rice and I cooked it in beef stock.
Oh, it all was delicious.
Celeste said it was delicious. I believe her.
And Merle, I ate for you, Merle.
And we was talking to Merle. Merle said, you lucky. Merle said, you lucky I don't have no car. So it all came out really, really good. It came out really, really good. And I'm just like, I love my turkey, right? But with the mayonnaise, guys, you see how it come out with the mayonnaise?
This is crisp.
It's very crispy.
Oh, tasted that.
And it's very tender inside. Wait a minute. Let me get this here. Give me a second here. And then, you know, you can just like take your gravy and just put it on top of there. Like so. That gravy is off the charts good too. Huh? All they do is take a little time, a lot of love, right?
Yes.
And some fun, because I was very silly today. Today's a really good day. I feel really good today, I got to tell you. Today is a good day. And I hope my night is even better. I've been having my oxygen out for some reason. My oxygen level keeps going down, and I don't understand why. But today, you know, earlier today, it was a little funky. Earlier today, it was kind of bad earlier, but like, I should have it on now too, but I took it off for a quick second because my nose was running. So I took it off for a minute. I'm lying. I just lied. That ain't why I took it off. See, I can't tell a lie. I took it off for a minute to see how my breathing would be. I can't tell a lie. That's a good thing, though, right? But I'm not going to put it back on right this here minute, though. I took it off to see, you know, how much I could move around, which I didn't do a whole lot of moving around. I didn't. I just wanted to see, because it's been acting crazy. Hold up for a second. Let me put it back on, because, yeah, it's the right thing to do. Oh, boy. And then when I put it on, I'll be like, whew. It's a big difference. Oh, my goodness. This is right here. This is life right now. This is good. Yeah, okay. So, anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. And, Joyce, you got to come over. Joyce does her air fryer real good. Joyce showed me how to make salmon cakes and stuff in there. Celeste wanted to know how to use the air fryer. Yeah, Joyce is good. Joyce is really good with hers. Okay. There you go. Joyce is good. She told me about how to use it. I learned from Joyce and stuff. Like the timing and stuff. She said you got to like pay attention to the timing of it all. Okay. Joyce gets down on hers. You still do a lot of cooking in yours, Joyce? Yeah. How's it going, Linda? My sweet cuss. The Tar Heels. Oh, I just love my family. All right, so I'm not going to hold you guys. I'm getting kind of tired, too.
Me too, baby.
Man, I feel like I ate a plate of food. I enjoyed you, and thank you for being on my show.
All right.
Check it out on YouTube and the Facebook. It was a good time.
Yes.
Right? This was fun. Joyce, you next. Joyce, I'm gonna have them over because Martha can cook too. Martha's a good cook too. You'd be surprised. I'm telling you, huh, Joyce? Martha throw down. Yeah, so I'm gonna have them over, and we'll do some cooking. All right, guys. Happy Sunday evening to you. I'm getting off and finished talking with Celeste, and I'm enjoying her company. And I just wanted to show y'all the finished product. And I thank you so much for watching me. I hope I'm showing you something different, though, you know. And if you want something different, let me know. And I'll be glad to cook it. I'll be glad to show you. All right. I love you. Have a good evening.
Have a good evening.
Ain't she pretty? Ain't she pretty?
Remember, don't give up 5 minutes before your miracle.
Hello, right? Yes, indeed.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good way to end it. All right, guys, have a good evening.